A smashing serve, trying to control the board but could not able to reach down, and one more point into the accounts of West Bengal. It's 2-4. Now the West Bengal is trying to recover their loss and coming back into the final set, getting 2 points. Still the lead of 2 points towards Tamil Nadu. Again, ball has been dropped down into the back side of the court in Tamil Nadu, and point recovery for West Bengal. 3-4 now. 3-4. 3 points in a row for West Bengal. And they are going to level up this side.
इडली डोसा और चटनी सब होती थी ये कौन ले डाला लो कुछ नहीं मान
Trying to put ball to the next sideline out of the court, and point one more given to West Bengal. Is 4-all now. 4-all in the decider side between West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. Again, here comes Tamil Nadu with this smash. Well recovered by West Bengal. And well judged by jersey number 1 from Tamil Nadu. Point recovered for Tamil Nadu is 5-4. 5-4 is the score. Tamil Nadu to serve in the final set.
सर बच्चे को थोड़ा पीछे सर नहीं तो ये गिरेगा बॉलिंग क्या बोल रही
Again, good smash from jersey number 2 from Tamil Nadu. 6-4. 6-4. Tamil Nadu leading this set by 2 points. 6-4 is the score. We are into the decider set of 15 points. Already one set has been won by 2 teams. And now they are playing for the championship in this set. Let's see who will become the champions of under 17 Girls Beach Volleyball Championship 2026.
शॉट है भाई
To Tamil Nadu. 7-4 now. 3-point lead towards Tamil Nadu. 7-4 is the score. West Bengal seems to complete it. Nervous on this final set. They need to think and regain the energy in order to come back strongly in this set, in order to level up the score. Again, one more point towards Tamil Nadu. 9-4. 9-4 is the score. The first set belongs to West Bengal. Then the recovery by Tamil Nadu in second set, and now they are fighting in the decider. Again, good thinking, but out of the court. 10-4. 10-4. Just 5 points away. Tamil Nadu is 5 points away from the championship. So what a recovery that has been regained by Tamil Nadu after losing their first set. Good thinking, and jersey number 2 doing good for their team. 5-10 is the score. 5-10. Switch the code. 5-10 is the score. West Bengal 5 and Tamil Nadu 10 is the decider side of the championship of beach volleyball 2026. Good smash from jersey number 1. West Bengal is coming hard in this set now. 6-10. Just 4-point lead towards Tamil Nadu. 6-10. Touch given away. Error from West Bengal. And point goes to Tamil Nadu. It's 11-6. Just a 4-point away from the championship. And West Bengal seems to be very nervous. They need to think, regain the energy and come back strong. Again out of the court, 12-6. Tamil Nadu seems to be very strong in this set. After losing first set, they regain second set. West Bengal is completely destroyed by Tamil Nadu girls. Points to West Bengal is 7-12.
Next match is final boys finals Telangana versus Tamil Nadu. Boys final Telangana versus Tamil Nadu. Be ready please.
And one more point, 13-7. 13-7 is the score. Just 2 points away from the championship. Tamil Nadu could switch the court. 13-7. The first set belongs to West Bengal. Then
Next match,
Tamil
both
Nadu
final.
recovered the set and level up the
Telangana versus
match.
Tamil Nadu. Be ready please.
And now Tamil Nadu seems to be marching towards the championship. Just 2 points away from the championship. It's 13-7. Tamil Nadu to serve. And out of the court. Championship point for Tamil Nadu is 14-7. Just 1 point away from winning this title of Under 17 Girls Champions of Beach Volleyball 2026. Point towards West Bengal now. 8 match point. 8 match point. Now let's see what West Bengal will do. Whether they are having any instrument, whether they are having any option to change the result. Oh, one more point. It's 9-14. 9-14. Still, they need something magical. Something magical need to be done by West Bengal. Again, one more point. It's 10-14 now. 3 points consecutively taken in a row by West Bengal. Seems to be happening some magical things towards West Bengal. And the championship point goes to Tamil Nadu. Congratulations to Under 17 girls of Tamil Nadu for being the champions of Beach Volleyball Championship 2026. And hard luck for West Bengal girls. They had given their best in this finals, winning the first set but could not control the momentum, and unfortunately they have
Now
been the runners-up of this
Now boys
championship.
final Telangana versus Tamil Nadu. The officials, first referee Hari from Pondicherry, second referee Suresh Sirodkar Goa, the scorer Tejas Kaunts, assistant scorer Nikhil and Prabal. Be ready on the ground please, officials.
बैग दिखलो पड़ो ले बैग अभी दो लोयर ले ले किधर का उधर का फिर वाह वाह वाह
Indeed, it was a superb and very energetic match. We really enjoyed it. And now our dignitaries, Honorable Sports Minister of Goa, Dr. Ramesh Tavarkarji, Honorable MLA Madre, Shri Jeet Arolkarji, Director Sports, Dr. Ajay Gavde, Shri Dhaku Madkekar, and all the other dignitaries are present on the court to congratulate the winning team.
Now boys final court on the center court, Tamil Nadu versus Telangana.
Thank you.
21st, 22nd and 23rd April. 3 days and 12 teams. Andhra Pradesh. CBSE Welfare Sports Organization. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Delhi. Goa. Gujarat. Odisha. Puducherry. Punjab. Tamil Nadu, Telangana and West Bengal. These 12
Now
teams.
boys final, Telangana versus Tamil Nadu. Be ready on the ground, please. Boys final, Telangana versus Tamil Nadu.
They executed excellent sportsmanship on this beautiful beach of Miramar, and today we had finals. Still one match is left. Boys finals.
Official for finals, for boys finals.
West
First
Bengal
referee,
and Tamil Nadu were the finalist teams.
For boys final, Telangana versus Tamil Nadu officials. First referee Hari from Pondicherry.
Under 17 boys and girls 69 National School Games Beach Volleyball Championship 25-26. Once again, I would like to warmly welcome all our dignitaries on this beautiful beach, and may I request them to take seats in front of the stage. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Respected dignitaries.